this Simha transit for Simha Lagna, the transit will be much better. Earlier the Jupiter was in the 6th house, so things would have been very difficult, situation would have been very difficult. Now the 7th house transit is much better for you. There will be a lot of growth and development will be there, and people who are in the marriageable age and can find getting married, and people who are not in the marriageable age will get attracted to lovers, and people can fall in love and can have the redefinition, rejig of the relationship, because the Jupiter will be transiting the 7th house. Attending marriage, attending different marriages in different parts of the places will be very common. There will also be travel will be there. You will also forge new friendship, new alliances and new links which will be coming across, which will make your life very happy and peaceful. The difficult phase what you have been facing for the last 1.5 years will begin to recede, but it might not fully go till that Saturn transit into the 7th house across as a person. And the other most important thing is you will have the financial freeness which will be happening across. Earlier the situation would have been tight, you might have to borrow money across. All those things will disappear right now. You would be able to expand yourself in a major manner, and you will be able to do very well as far as your profession is concerned. So therefore it is very important that you take risk, be bold and try to not to play conservativeness. You can also express your viewpoint in a very clear manner. There will be ending of old relationship and new relationship which will be formed, and you will have a lot of happiness because of these changes which are happening in life. Be willing to change the house if suppose you get an option across. As such, it's a very positive transit for you as a